Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. My name is Winifred, and you're welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not a tutorial per se. I was walking I was scrolling on the streets of Instagram one day, and I saw this on a fashion designer's page. She's a vendor. She sells clothes, so she was taking this, and I thought it's going to be insightful for you. A lot of you don't know how to knot you have to lace your corset, so this video is going to help you figure that out and have a well laced corset with a snatched waistline. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. Kindly click on the subscribe button, like, share, and give me a thumbs up, please. It gives YouTube the sign that they need to push my video to a larger audience. Just ignore my face that you're seeing. I'm just trying to be playful here. Just watch what this person is doing closely. You're going to learn something from it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Till I see you in my next video, I want you to know that I love you and I care about you. Bye.